Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be making some brown stew fish with some provision and boiled dumplings. So for my provisions I've got some yellow yam and some green bananas. We've got our seasoned fish here, so I've got a snapper and some red bream fish pieces. And for our fresh ingredients, I've got some scallions, tomato, fresh garlic, white onion, some fresh okra, sweet pepper, thyme, and some hot pepper. We're gonna put on our green banana to boil. I've already washed them. Just gonna show you what I'm doing here. So I've got some cold water. I'm cooking them in the skin. I'm gonna cut the top off and then the bottom. Then we're gonna make a slit down. I'm going to let these boil for about 5 minutes or so, then I'll take the skin off and then we will add our yellow yam. To this I'm going to add some salt, some oil, and some white vinegar. We're going to put these on to boil for about 5 minutes and then I will take the skin off. We will add our yellow yam. We will peel our yellow yam and put it in some lime water until our bananas are boiling. Guys, we've got some cold water. This is our yam, so we're just going to peel it. Guys, I'm just going to rub it with some lime. Just to stop the oxidation. And then we will put it to one side. We're going to mix our dumpling dough and let it sit. We will put these on later on. So we will let them sit for about 15-20 minutes. So I've got 1.5 cups of plain flour or all-purpose. I'm just going to put some salt, mix that in. Got some lukewarm water. So this is about 150 mils or about 5 ounces. We're going to gradually add this to form a dough. That's our dough, guys. So the consistency is good. With dumplings, it's hard to give the exact measurements. You just need to add the water gradually until you start to form a dough. If you find that you've added too much water, just add some flour into your dough to get it to a more stiffer consistency, but you don't want it too stiff, so that's good. We put in some flour at the bottom of the dough and then we'll be back later to cook those. Guys, we've got all of our seasonings cut up and we're just going to get ready to brown our fish off. Our oil is hot. We're going to put in some pepper, pimento seed, and 1 scallion. Guys, we just want these to brown, so we're not gonna mess with them until it's time to turn. Guys, you can see around the edges starting to brown, so we're just gonna turn these. We're gonna brown them on the other side and then we're gonna get rid of most of the oil, and then we will create our brown stew sauce. Hey guys, yeah, our fish is brown on the other side. We're just gonna take them out. We're gonna rest them in a Pyrex. Guys, our bananas have been cooking for about 5 minutes. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how I take the skin off, and then we will add our yellow yam. All of our skins are off. Guys, we're just gonna add our yellow yam in. Gonna cover it back. We're gonna saute our veggies. I've thrown off most of the oil. I've just left a little bit, and those little brown bits will give this lots of flavor. So we've got onion, pepper, scallion, garlic. Gonna add in our okra and tomato. Gonna add some boiling water, guys. Add whatever seasonings you want. I'm also gonna add a little bit of mushroom dark soy sauce, not a lot. I'm gonna add some tomato puree. So we just want this to simmer and cook down a little bit before we put our fish in. Adding in my celery leaf and thyme. We're gonna add our fish back in. You could use browning if you want. Cover this, let it cook down for about 10 to 15 minutes. Guys, let's check on our fish. It's looking good. Okay, because we're having this with provisions and dumplings, we want to have a lot of gravy. The fish is done cooking. I'm just going to take this off the fire, and then we will cook our boiled dumplings. The dough has been sitting. You make your dumplings as big as you want, or whatever shape you want, but I'm doing mine round, and then flatten them a little bit. We've got 6 dumplings. Our water for our dumplings is boiling, so let's go and put these on. Let's add a little bit of salt and a little bit of butter. Guys, to make our dumplings, I'm just gonna knead them a little bit so that they're smooth. Pinch the sides in. Like that. Then flatten it. And then put it in. Let's do another one. So it's nice and smooth. Pinch the sides in. Doing our last one. You just need to bring this to a boil. They will float to the top. So I will see you back in about 5 minutes. Guys, so it's been maybe about 3 to 5 minutes. As you can see, our dumplings have floated. So we're going to let them cook for about 15 to 20 minutes-ish. And then they'll be done. And then we can plate up. Guys, our dumplings are done. Nice and round. Take the fire off and we will plate up in the next clip. Guys, we're just gonna get ready to plate up our brown stew fish with provisions. That's our dumplings, that's our green banana and yellow yam, and that's our brown stew fish, guys. Looking good, guys, looking good. Guys, that's our plate. Let's do a close-up. I wonder what this would cost if you got this from a restaurant. Yeah, but don't worry guys, I'm not eating all of this in one sitting. It just looks nice. Put more food on the plate. So this is our brown stew snapper with yellow yam, boiled dumpling and boiled green bananas. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up to show that you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified when I post new videos. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!